This brand is made in China and is imported and sold in the USA by Amvent Corporation. The A74GW2C model is a basic heat pump with a 16 SEER efficiency rating, while the A55GW2C is for cooling only. They use inverter compressors but are relatively noisy, and their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. They have auto swing louvers for enhanced air circulation throughout the room, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The units can be purchased online through Walmart with all of the things to install the system. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacForBeginners.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HvacRepairGuy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.